Welcome to Chapter 5, where we delve into the crucial topic of environmental ethics. This chapter will guide us through the moral principles governing our interaction with the environment. Our syllabus covers a range of topics including ethics and environmental issues, pollution control, conservation of resources, and the Environmental Quality Act of 1974. Each section is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the ethical dimensions of environmental challenges. For this course, we will be referencing two key textbooks: Business Ethics, Decision-Making for Personal Integrity and Social Responsibility, and Business Ethics, Concepts and Cases. These books will provide valuable insights into the ethical considerations in business and environmental contexts. Environmental threats primarily stem from pollution and resource depletion. Pollution results from human activities like manufacturing and waste disposal, while resource depletion involves the consumption of finite resources, posing significant challenges to sustainability. Air pollution is a major concern, with various types including greenhouse gases, ozone-depleting gases, acid rain gases, airborne toxics, and common air pollutants. Understanding these types is crucial for effective pollution control strategies. Water pollution encompasses organic wastes like sewage and oil, and inorganic pollutants such as heavy metals and radioactive chemicals. Addressing these pollutants is vital for maintaining clean and safe water sources. Land pollution involves toxic substances, solid wastes, and nuclear wastes. These pollutants can severely impact soil health and biodiversity, necessitating robust waste management practices. The depletion of non-renewable resources, including fossil fuels and minerals, is a pressing issue. Extinction of species and destruction of habitats further exacerbate the problem, highlighting the need for sustainable resource management. Resource depletion leads to an imbalance in nature, material shortages, and economic challenges. It underscores the importance of sustainable practices to ensure the availability of resources for future generations. Pollution control is an ethical imperative, requiring us to protect both human and non-human parts of the ecosystem. Approaches include ecological, environmental rights, and market strategies to internalize external costs. Ecological ethics emphasize the intrinsic value of non-human parts of the environment. The last man argument illustrates the moral wrongness of destroying nature, even if no humans are directly affected. Environmental rights advocate for a livable environment as a fundamental human right. These rights can justify absolute bans on pollution, even when the costs seem to outweigh the benefits. Market approaches to pollution control involve internalizing external costs. Companies can use pollution prevention techniques to reduce the societal impact of their activities, ensuring economic and environmental sustainability. The utilitarian approach seeks an optimal level of pollution removal where costs equal benefits. When costs and benefits are not measurable, principles like precautionary and maximum rules guide decision-making. Conservation ethics argue for preserving resources for future generations. Debates on whether to conserve or exploit resources highlight the need for ethical considerations in economic growth and environmental protection. Environmental sustainability involves not depleting resources faster than their replacement and not creating more pollution than the environment can absorb. These principles are essential for long-term ecological balance. Sustainability requires balancing environmental, economic, and social factors to meet present and future needs. These interdependent aspects ensure a holistic approach to sustainable development. Backcasting is a strategic approach where businesses envision a sustainable future and work backward to achieve it. This method encourages innovation and creativity in pursuing sustainability goals. Business ethics emphasize the importance of valuing the natural environment. Human self-interest, climate change, and ecological science advocate for a restrained approach to environmental conservation. Businesses have a responsibility to protect the environment, balancing self-interest with ethical values. Methods like market, regulatory, and sustainability approaches help ensure businesses fulfill their environmental duties. The market approach suggests that consumers drive resource efficiency by demanding products that meet their needs. Businesses compete to offer these products, using resources efficiently. However, William Baxter argues that society could strive for pure air and water, but the costs might outweigh the benefits. The balance between pollution and competitive markets is crucial, as resources are infinite and can be substituted. The market approach has its drawbacks. Free natural resources are often misused because they lack a price, leading to pollution. Free markets can also be unfair, as environmental costs are passed to others. Important environmental laws like CAFE standards require government action, as the free market alone cannot enforce them. The regulatory approach in the U.S. has been significant in environmental legislation. Tort law was the primary legal avenue, allowing injured parties to sue for harm caused by others. This shifted the burden to those who caused harm. Society had two opportunities. Consumers could demand environmentally friendly products, and citizens could support environmental legislation. The regulatory approach faces challenges. It underestimates the influence of business in establishing laws, as seen with the automobile industry's lobbying. It also underestimates business influence on consumer choice, misleadingly suggesting consumers are unaffected by advertising. Economic growth is not always environmentally friendly, and different roads can have varying consequences. The Environmental Quality Act 1974 aims to prevent pollution and enhance the environment. It is divided into several parts, covering administration, licenses, pollution control, waste management, appeals, and environmental funds. The debate between market and regulatory approaches continues. Each has implications for business. Efficient markets suggest businesses should seek profits and allow resource allocation. Regulatory approaches require compliance with government standards. Market defenders argue environmental issues are economic problems needing economic solutions. The sustainability approach emerged in the 1980s, combining financial opportunities with environmental and ethical responsibilities. Sustainable development meets present needs without compromising the future. Businesses must be economically, environmentally, and ethically satisfactory, focusing on financial, environmental, and ethical goals. Environmental sustainability involves responsibly interacting with the planet to maintain resources for future generations. The sustainability revolution seeks success measured in economic, ethical, and environmental terms. Businesses must be ethical and friendly to the environment, beyond just profit measurement. Sustainability in marketing involves the 4 P-seconds: product, price, promotion, and placement. Products should be eco-friendly, prices should reflect ecological costs, promotion should encourage sustainable choices, and placement should support sustainable distribution, like electric vehicles over diesel. For further reading on business ethics, refer to Chapter 9 by Hartman et al. And Chapter 5 by Velasquez. These resources provide deeper insights into ethical business practices.